I appear for the respondents in item number 13. I'm appearing for the
State of Tamil Nadu.
State of Tamil.
I'm appearing for 15.2.
15.1.
Lord, we are also affected by
You're the institution.
Lord, teachers, group of teachers, nearly 3.5 lakhs teachers, Lord, been affected.
Lord, I
Lord, by this order. Lord, what has happened subsequent
Lord, may I say this?
For your Lordship. Lord, the improved order has been doubted by another coordinate bench because, Lord, there were conflicting judgments. So, therefore, Lord, that coordinate bench is referred to a larger bench. May I place it before your Lord?
It's pending references.
Not for, may I say this, Lord? I'm sorry to interrupt.
Fix the leave to us, Lord. We'll go before the full bench, Lord, agitate all the matters before the full bench and then come back before
That
the
is
Lord.
wrong.
Subject to
I'm sorry.
final results, Lord, may come. May I please before your Lordship, Lord?
Lord, may I say this, Lord?
There are a lot of conflicting judgments throughout India, Lord. All of a sudden, one day, Lord, the NCT says that you need a pass in TET exams. And Lord, nearly 3.5 lakhs teachers, Lord, are affected.
Qualification
Lord,
prescribed.
may I say
Not
only
the
this?
qualification, Lord, it's only eligibility. Suppose a lawyer, Lord, today they say that you have to pass this bar exams. Otherwise,
If your lordships will kindly give me, Lord, 1 minute. Lord, I'm appearing for all the candidates who have passed TET, Lord, all the teachers in Tamil Nadu who have passed the teacher eligibility test. And Lord, most of us were the writ petitioners. Lord, here, Lord, my learned senior, Mr. Wilson, Lord, there seems to be some confusion. Lord, there are three issues in this case. One relating to minority rights, one relating to whether, Lord, those appointed prior to the NCT notification pursuant to the RTE Act, Lord, whether they can continue in service without possession of TET. And the third is whether, Lords, they should necessarily have a teacher eligibility test, TET pass, Lords, to go to the next promotional level. Lords, as far as going to the next promotion level is concerned alone, Lords, with respect to that, Lord, there is no dichotomy, there is no two opinions of any two benches. Lords, the bench, Lords, at paragraph 74 of its judgment makes it very clear that if you want promotion to the next level or to the next post, then you necessarily must possess a pass in TET because as per the present rules for that post you require that. That has also been clarified, Lords, by the NCT very specifically where they say for any next level you need a TET. But as far as continuance in service is concerned, your Lordships will kindly appreciate this dichotomy on the part of the state. On the one hand, Lords, they have filed an appeal saying that even those who do not possess TET should be promoted if they have been appointed prior to that date. And on the other hand, they are challenging the observation of the division bench, which says that if you do not have a TET, you can still continue in service if you were appointed prior. Therefore, Lords, what are they fighting for, Lords? We fail to understand. Lord, if there are cases that one should not even continue in service if they don't have TET, but how can they say that they should get promoted?
Incorporated in the statute about TET.
Lord,
What is the cutoff date?
Date is 29/7/2011. 29/7/2011 is the date of the NCT notification.
29/7/2011.
Your Lordship may hear me on this, my lord, because we have filed an SLP against the order.
I'll just finish this and then, Lord, just a minute.
Against the order of the division bench.
29/7/2011 is the date of notification. Lords, what the government of Tamil Nadu has done is they have amended the statutory rules in 2020 and said that TET is applicable only for direct recruitment and not for promotion to the next post of BT assistant or graduate assistant. So, virtually they are creating two classes of teachers. One, Lords, who will have necessarily to possess TET even if they have to be directly appointed to the post of a teacher. And then, Lords, they are saying that those appointed prior to that date can be promoted to the next promotional post. Lord, here what the division bench has done. Yes, Lords.
My lords, I am appearing for candidates who filed a special.
Madam, please understand, main issue that will arise is whether this is an essential qualification for being appointed as a teacher or not.
Not a qualification.
See, if it is an essential qualification, then
Yes.
even the minority institutions will have to fall in line, right?
Yes.
That's what has been held. Will have to fall in line, right?
Yes.
That's what has been held way back in Xavier's.
Yes, my Lords.
It is a fundamental right to appoint teachers. You have a right to appoint teachers, but they have to fulfill the basic qualifications. And the qualifications can be prescribed by the university.
Yes,
So the university prescribe and the school or the board prescribes state